Good morning, all. In the last class, we discussed about the regular past tense forms. Do you remember that? Today, let's go to the next section, that is irregular past tense forms. Sometimes, when we talk about past events, the verb changes. Verbs that have different endings are called irregular verbs. For example, eat becomes ate. Catch becomes caught. Like that. How do all other verbs change in this way? This change is not regular. That means here we can't make past tense forms by adding d or ed as in regular verbs. Okay. The past forms ate, caught, these are irregular forms of the verbs eat and catch. Other examples are go, its past tense is went, go, went, write, wrote, keep, kept, take, took, make, made, come, came, draw, drew, see, saw, tell, told, sit, sat, run, ran. Children, please find 10 irregular past tense verbs and copy it down into your English notebook. Okay, this is your task for today. And children, don't forget, there are basically 3 irregular verb forms in English. That is the base form, that is draw, as in draw. The base form, example, draw. The past tense, drew. The past participle, drawn. We'll be learning all these in detail in the coming classes, okay? Was and were, these are the auxiliary verbs and these are the irregular verbs also. It is irregular form of be, okay? Children, do you remember the auxiliary verbs is, am, and are? We learned it in the previous chapter, isn't it? Yes. Was and were are the past tense forms of is, am, and are. Was comes with the singular subjects and were comes with the plural subjects. Was is used with he, she, it, I, or one name, that's singular. And were is used with you, we, they, or more than one name, that's plural. Was and were are used to tell about the things that have already happened. Here, the effect of things happened already is not present now. It's all finished. Let's practice some examples. See, let's take the sentences. First one, the engine dash very powerful. Here the subject is engine and the subject that's in singular format. So the helping verb should be in the singular format. Okay. Which is the singular form here? Was or were? This is? Yes kids, definitely. Very good. Was. That's the singular form. Then the answer is the engine was very powerful. The engine was very powerful. Next, they dash playing in the park. Find out the subject. Yes, they, our. Then that's in the plural format. Then the answer will be like this. They were playing in the park. They were playing in the park. Third one, the cows dash very happy. Which is the subject here? Yes, cows. Cow, that's singular. Cows, that's plural. Here it is cows. Then the answer will be were. The cows were very happy. The last one, it dash Christmas yesterday. It, is it a singular format or is it in plural format? Yeah, it, that's a singular. That's singular. Then the answer will be was. It was Christmas yesterday. It was Christmas yesterday. Very good, children. I hope you all understood this term, was and were. Then, children, please do exercise B, that's given in your textbook. That's in the conversation format, and you have to write was or were. Okay. First of all, check the subject, then fill in the blanks. Then you can easily fill that blanks. Okay. Thank you.